You can get a taxi or bus.
You can get a taxi or bus.
He is intelligent, but he is lazy.
He is intelligent, but he is lazy.
He runs fast every morning.
He runs fast every morning.
She jumps high in the air.
She jumps high in the air.
They walk to school together.
They walk to school together.
If you study hard, you will succeed.
If you study hard, you will succeed.
It was raining, so we stayed at home.
It was raining, so we stayed at home.
He eats healthy food in breakfast.
He eats healthy food in breakfast.
She drinks cold water daily in summer.
She drinks cold water daily in summer.
We speak English in class sometimes.
We speak English in class sometimes.
They play football on Sunday.
They play football on Sunday.
Mother cooks delicious meal every time.
Mother cooks delicious meal every time.
He cleans his room every day.
He cleans his room every day.
We tried many solutions, but in the end we found the right one.
We tried many solutions, but in the end we found the right one.
By the end of this week I will finish the report.
By the end of this week I will finish the report.
There is a garden at the end of the street.
There is a garden at the end of the street.
I wake up early daily.
I wake up early daily.
She reads a book quietly.
She reads a book quietly.
He writes in his notebook.
He writes in his notebook.
They are sitting on chairs.
They are sitting on chairs.
We are going to market.
We are going to market.
She is washing her hands.
She is washing her hands.
He is opening the door.
He is opening the door.
I am closing the window.
I am closing the window.
I am closing the window.
I am closing the window.